Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, October 8th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Windows 10 October 2018 update that has been halted of deployment by Microsoft. It seems that there are several little bugs that people have actually talked about. But the major one is, of course, losing your data, and apparently it's difficult to actually get it back. If you're in one of those cases, I've got one tip today that I'll post a video, and you can try that. Hopefully you'll get back your data. And, brings us back to the fact that why did Microsoft skip over release preview? Maybe they would have seen a little more. And it's interesting because the Feedback Hub has been mentioning that some people were losing data up to 3 months ago. And, well, it seems that that feedback was never seen, creating a little problem with the Feedback Hub, I would guess. Well, the police in India has arrested 24 people in a tech support scam that were pretending to be Microsoft, of course, tech support. Microsoft itself filed a complaint in India, and it seems that these 24 people were arrested and the computers seized. So, well, it's probably just a drop in the ocean of scams, but it's still, it still feels good to have these little reports from time to time that people got arrested for scamming others. European Union says that Google made quite a progress in making it fairer competition, and that it is actually taking big steps forward and making its services fair, and giving the possibility to third-party companies and services to actually go through without being eliminated by the Google search and the Google services themselves. But many companies say it's still not enough. They need to do more. Firefox is going to be the second browser to add support for notifications in Windows 10. Google Chrome started doing this in the latest version, so you have these Google Chrome notifications that show up in the Windows 10 Action Center. Well, Firefox 64 will be the browser that will start doing this also, which is a pretty good idea because the notification system in the Windows 10 is actually quite good, and it's a really good idea to do so. 5G is a little controversial for some. It seems that a survey says that the many different frequency ranges, and also the fact that in some ranges the signals will actually be weaker in areas, are making we're actually looking at the possible future of 5G as being a little difficult to sell off, because many users might actually not be satisfied with either the coverage or the speeds, or it seems that there's just too many different standards. So we'll see what happens, but it's always fun to have only one standard instead of a gazillion different standards. Well, if you're in Australia and have a Apple Watch 4, it seems that the move to DST, the Daylight Savings Time, has created a little problem. It seems that the watch crashes. Now, Apple says it knows about it. It will issue a fix, but for now, you'll have to wait 24 hours. That will fix the problem. Why? Because it's the transition time with apparently the activity monitor that is creating the problem. But after the 24-hour period is done, it should be okay. Well, we're still talking, and there's still a lot of talk about the famous Bloomberg report that says that tech giants and Chinese servers had this spying chip inside their devices. Well, it seems that many voices have been heard. Of course, Amazon, Apple, and big tech giants all say no, that's not true. If we would have had a spying chip, we would have known about it. There's no physical view of any servers actually with the chip, which is kind of interesting. And even the Department of Homeland Security in the United States says, no, there's no such thing as these spying chips in these servers. So, of course, Bloomberg is still hanging on to the story. Who is right in there, and what's happening exactly? Well, tomorrow, 24 hours from now, there will be the famous Google event Well, we will learn more about the Google Pixel 3 XL phone that apparently some people were able to purchase now. Also, we will learn about several other devices, including the next generation of Google Home and Home Mini, and of course Chromecast. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going to be there tomorrow. I'll be watching that event, of course. Intel unveiled today in an event its 9th generation Intel Coffee Lake desktop processors. Says that they are the most powerful chips in the world, the best for gamers, and that even the Core i9-9900K is the top choice for gamers apparently in power. So this is, of course, trying to have us see and learn more about their CPUs, as AMD's Ryzen is apparently very popular. And if there's a shortage of IT workers, and there is one, well, one of the reports says that actually there should be some IT training among regular workers, so that if the IT guy is not there, some of your workers can maybe fill in the job for the time being, as you know, it's getting more and more difficult to have all of these resources. So of course, training your employees to be a little more efficient in IT might actually help you out in these times where IT workers are actually being difficult to find. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, October 8th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.